TubeBuddy Tag Explorer is getting a major update. Hello everyone, I'm Andrew Camp from TubeBuddy, and the first major change to TubeBuddy Tag Explorer is its name. From now on, it's going to be known as TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer. Keyword Explorer's new name is to emphasize that the tool shouldn't only be used to add tags to your video, but should be used for keyword research on YouTube as a whole. Let's take a look at TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer. From the main TubeBuddy menu, select Keyword Explorer. Here you'll see the new design and layout. Enter a keyword at the top to explore. For this video, we'll explore YouTube Teespring. Here you'll see the new design. The new design focuses immediately on the score of the keyword you're searching for. The old version had the score in the bottom right-hand corner. Free users will retain access to the unweighted score, and pro and higher users will get a weighted score. If you want a free sponsored upgrade for TubeBuddy, click the card on screen now. Back to the scoring. Unweighted is a general score for how good this keyword is to target based on search volume and competition. Weighted is how good this keyword is to target for your specific channel, based on search volume, competition, relevancy, and how you compare to others currently ranking in search. Again, this requires a pro or higher level license. The unweighted score will give you a specific breakdown for each keyword you use. Here, you'll see that even though this keyword is fairly competitive, it is searched so often that it is probably worth targeting. You'll also see we recommend trying another keyword in the related panel for a better score. Let's go ahead and do that now. Here in the related section, you'll see three areas: video and web searches, and a new feature called video topic ideas. Video searches lets you know what specific phrases people are searching for on YouTube related to your keyword. By targeting these phrases, you have a better chance at ranking because your video's title, description, and tags will contain exactly what people are searching for. Web searches lets you know what specific phrases people are searching for on Google related to your keyword. When making a video, it's generally better to target a phrase in the Video Searches tab. However, because Google search results often show a YouTube video carousel, you have a chance at driving a good amount of views from Google. Finally, the new Videos Topic tab provides common questions related to your keyword that make for great video topics. These are what real people are asking for on YouTube, and it's your chance to be the authority on the topic and have the go-to video for the answer. All three of these new tabs work best when exploring more broad or general keywords. Use them to hone in on great video topics and video titles to target. Let's look at our video topics section. It's up to you to choose which title you think accurately fits your video or which topic you'll focus your video around. We'll select how to set up Teespring on YouTube. You'll notice that our score has changed. However, if you look at the bottom, you can see your recently explored keywords and their score. So if you want to go back, all we have to do is click on it like so. However, we'll switch to our new keyword and see what the data shows. We know a lot of you out there still feel like you don't know which keywords you should add. The old way was admittedly a bit confusing and combined the stats. Here in the keyword analysis, we break it down for you. The bar is a lot like a stoplight. Red means stop, yellow is yield, and green is go. The overall score is comprised of three metrics: search volume, competition, and optimization strength. Search volume for our term shows that it's moderately searched for. We can see that the competition is low for this term, and we can see the optimization strength is very low. The optimization strength represents how well optimized the top ranking videos are for the search phrase. If they're not well optimized, then it provides you an opportunity to break in and rank for the keyword by properly optimizing your video. If we look back to our overall, we will see that this keyword/video topic is good and worth targeting. We also see with weighted how we stack against the top ranking videos. The graph at the bottom is a quick analysis of how you will compare against top ranking videos. The first bar is the average view count of the videos and search results for your keyword. The target icon bar shows the lowest, or breakthrough, which gives you a sense of the bare minimum that it takes to get ranked. Finally, the third bar shows how many views your channel gets on average. All of these factor into the overall weighted score. The final thing we see is the total number of search results. For this keyword, there are 627,000 results. If we click on the tabs below our term, we can see the results page. On the results page, you'll see the top ranking channel in search and how many videos they own for that keyword in search. You'll also see yourself. and then the exact matches on the keyword phrase in both the title and description, and how many total search results there are. Exact matches are highlighted in solid yellow, and partial matches are highlighted in light yellow to get a good visual sense of how optimized the results are. This page is very useful for you to see who is ranking for the keyword, what their thumbnails look like, and where they rank with the familiar green numbers in TubeBuddy showing up where the video ranks on the side. Seeing the results like this is great because it can help you come up with a unique thumbnail idea that helps your video stand out. The next tab is the trending section, and it shows you rising related queries for a term. This works better with a broad term, so for example, if we remove our current title and just put in YouTube, we'll see some results on trending. Next to trending is historical, which will show you the interest of that term over time according to Google Trends. This doesn't have to be as specific as before, so if we go back to YouTube Teespring, you'll see that we have some results. It seems at the time of this recording, YouTube Teespring is on a rise. The final view is of a world map that shows interest for the topic based on region. This is useful because if your audience, let's say, is mostly based out of the US, then this topic is highly searched for in the US and would be great for you to stand out in. That's a look at our Keyword Explorer tool. We want to know, would you like to see a video on how we optimize our videos here on YouTube? Let us know in those comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell notification to stay up to date on all things TubeBuddy. I'm Andrew Camp from TubeBuddy, and thank you all so much for watching.